This was the final scene of a gun battle between Peter Macharia, who police say is a most wanted highway robber, and police officers. The events of the day began with a tip-off by members of the public to the law enforcers. Residents of Buda area situated along the Nakuru Nyahururu highway called the police to report of an armed man who was terrorizing them. Upon further investigations, police say they established that the person in question was in fact a most wanted criminal.
This particular person has been a ringleader of a group that has been terrorizing Kenyans along this particular highway, and more so in Nakuru town, Naivasha town, Molo town, and the neighborhood districts.
The action played out in this house. Macharia, upon noticing the police, apparently opened fire. From here, a fierce exchange of fire ensued, and when the dust had settled, Macharia lay dead.
As they were waiting the owner to come out, the owner walked out with a gun in hand. Officers, without stating this particular person, was shot.
In his house, police found these items carefully tucked away in various sections of the home. A revolver loaded with 16 rounds, an AK-47 rifle with 58 rounds, 8 pairs of new registration number plates, a bulletproof vest, and a temporary passport to Sudan.
We believe that his mission to Southern Sudan has been a source where he disposes vehicles robbed along the highways.
Nakuru OCPD called on Kenyans who might have lost their vehicles to check with his office following the recovery of the number plates. Edith Kimani, KTN Prime.